get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Hope you're all good and doing well. Today's video is a makeup look, actually Saraswati Puja makeup look, as I am uploading a video after a long time. So by not wasting time, let's see the video. I already washed my face and applied moisturizer. I am using VLCC moisturizer. You can use any kind of moisturizer. Then I am applying primer from Miss Clear. Then I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation with Maybelline Master Strobing Cream. I am taking little amount of foundation and strobing cream and mixing it well. Then I am applying the foundation with the help of a brush. Don't forget to apply it on neck. And now I am blending the foundation with a beauty blender. Then I am using concealer from Maybelline.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Now I am contouring my face, and for that I am using Mars highlighter and contour palette.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Now I am blending them with a blending brush.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Then I am setting the concealer with some loose powder. Now before starting the eye makeup, first I am doing my eyebrows. And for that I am using this dark brown shade from Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Then I am starting my eye makeup, and for that I am using this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette again, and I am using this brown shade to make my crease line. Then I am using this blue shade from Hiii Huda eyeshadow palette. And blending it with a blending brush. After that I am using this white shade from the same eyeshadow palette. Then I am using this shimmery sky blue shade from Miss Rose eyeshadow palette. I want little shimmery look, so I am applying it. If you don't want, then you can skip this. And then I am using this same blue shade from Hiii Huda eyeshadow palette to make it more defined. Now I am using kajal from Maybelline on my upper and lower lash line. Again I am using the same blue shade from Hiii Huda palette. Then I am taking off the excess loose powder. After that I am using Maybelline Fit Me powder.
Hold me close till I.
Then I am using mascara, and again it is from Maybelline.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Now it's time for blush, and I am using this from Oriflame. And finally, this is my favorite part. I am using this time Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick. After that I am using highlighter from Miss Clear. Last but not the least, I am using this DIY makeup setting spray. If you want a video of DIY makeup setting spray, then let me know in the comment section below. To complete this look, I am wearing this beautiful oxidized blue earring and this blue and white and black handmade bangles from Pouripati. And my final look is ready. I already mentioned all the details about Pouripati and also share their Facebook and Instagram page link in the description box below. So guys, go and check their beautiful and lovely collection. And their prices are very reasonable and pocket friendly. So guys, go and check their collections. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share this video. And if you are new in this channel, then don't forget to subscribe, lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.